Look at the map. Which desert is circled on this map? So look closely here. Is it the Mojave Desert for the triangle in red? Or is it the Sahara Desert for the diamond in blue? Or is it the Summer Desert for the circle in yellow? Which desert is shown here? Maps and globes can show where blank, like deserts and beaches, are in the United States. So what are deserts and beaches? Are they landforms for the triangle in red? Are they weather for the diamond in blue? Or are they compasses for the circle in yellow? Which of the following best describes the location of the Great Lakes? So these are the Great Lakes in the United States. What best describes the location of these Great Lakes? Is it northern United States for the triangle in red? Is it southern Mexico for the diamond in blue? Or is it western United States? Which describes the location of the Great Lakes the best? Look at the map. Which mountain range is circled on the map? So which mountain range is way over here? Are they the Rocky Mountains or the triangle in red? Are they the Northern Mountains or the diamond in blue? Or are the Appalachian Mountains for the circle in yellow? What mountain range is over here? Which ocean is located off the east coast of the United States? So this is the United States. Remember, you never eat soggy waffles. So what ocean is off the east coast of the United States? Is it the Pacific Ocean for the triangle in red? Is it the Atlantic Ocean for the diamond in blue? Or is it the Indian Ocean for the circle in yellow? Last one, you're doing great. What country is located directly north of the United States? So the United States is here. Remember, never eat soggy waffles. What is to the north of the United States? Is it Mexico for the triangle in red? Is it Canada for the diamond in blue? Or is it Europe for the circle in yellow?